Meaning of Greece.
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 Greece. Greece is a country located in southeastern Europe, known for its rich history and culture. Its name comes from the ancient Greek word Ellada, which means the land of the Greeks. Greece is known for its beautiful landscapes and architecture, including famous landmarks such as the Parthenon and the Acropolis. It has a rich mythology and has been the birthplace of important figures such as Aristotle, Plato, and Alexander the Great. Today, Greece is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year to its sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and picturesque villages.